First off, I'd like to do my disclaimer. All products used and mentioned in my videos are not sponsored. They're just products that I like. If you have a favorite brand, use your favorite brand. Today is the most important unit for off-the-grid cooking, coffee. This is devoted to all coffee drinkers. We have to have our coffee. No matter what, I'm going to get my coffee in because I love coffee. Got that from my daddy. I drank coffee from a very early age. My daddy used to give me some when I was sitting on his lap. Loved it. Anyway, I'm showing you how to do it off the grid. What you do is you're going to need tealight candles, a 9x13 cake pan, a cooling rack for it. We're going to have to light the candles before putting a cooling rack on it. But to get the proper amount of candles, what you do is you see if you have enough candles that's around it, because you want to make sure there's enough candles around it. And there is. Now, I will be back to light the candles. I am back to light the candles. I left a little space here so the handle don't get burnt. So all I gotta do is light them. Make sure the wicks are up. And you light the candles like this. I'll be back after I get all the candles lit. The first thing I did was lit the candles. Now you put the cooling rack on it. You got yourself an instant burner. I took the liberty of already measuring out the coffee. I put it in a basket. But before I put the basket in here, you have to put this lid on it. Now I got to measure the water for that. Now, mind you, I am making Linda-size coffee cups. Not the traditional L'Oreal ones. I like coffee. You can tell it's a Linda-size one. So now I will be adding the second cup. I'm showing you with 2 cups. Because I don't want too much coffee this morning. And the coffee that I used this morning was Kona. Then you put this in here, like that. Put the lid on it. Put it on the burner. And yes, it will work. I already tried it earlier. This method does work good. So let me get you around here. Yeah. Now, the whole reason why I came up with this is just in case you lose your power. It don't matter how you lose your power. Let's take, for example, Mother Nature threw a fit, took out the power grid, or the power grid goes down, or you lost your job because of the pandemic and you can't afford to pay your utilities. You still got to cook and eat. You still need your coffee. Definitely need the coffee. So I developed this unit to help people out when they lose their power. It don't matter how you lose it. We still got to keep going. So this is how we do the off-the-grid cooking. I have other units in this series. I actually made scrambled eggs, pancakes. I cooked Polish sausage. I cooked French toast, which is upcoming. I also cooked cinnamon French toast, which is upcoming. So I will be doing more units as the time goes on. Each unit will be in the description. So if you like one unit, you can go in the description and watch all the units. I will be back once it starts percolating. While we are waiting for the coffee to percolate, here is some vacation pictures from years ago from dry farms near Highland, North Carolina. Doing good. It's not perking yet. Oh, by the way, I use 4.5 spoonsful of coffee. Now we start timing it. It actually is perking. You can see the coffee coming up. See? It's coming up. Now since it's percolating, we have to time it 10 minutes at the most. Don't go beyond 10. For me, since I like coffee, this is very important that we know how to do this. Now all we got to do is take it off the burner and blow out the candles. So take it off the burner. Now blow out the candles. And you don't want to blow them too hard, then that wax will go flying. That's it for this unit. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe. Thank you.